This is our course repository for what's going to happen this semester in terms of where we can share some resources. Now, you might say, well, don't we already have one on course basis? And we do. We certainly do. And that is sanctioned by UVic, and that's fantastic. And this one is open for the world to see. So this is a real one where we're really sharing everything. There's two things in the repository right now. A README file, which is a markdown file, and we looked at that in class. It's actually rendered down here, and it will contain what we're doing week by week in the course. So you can click on any date as they'll come up in the course here, and you'll be able to go to the slides associated with that date and take a look at what happened in class time. Another thing on this page, though, was something that we looked at in terms of a resource, not just the markdown file, but also the index file. So if we look at the index file, it is just an HTML file, and it's not that it doesn't require some kind of explanation, but we did this exercise where we just copied it and we pasted it into an editor, and we wanted to see that we could render it locally. So I've pasted this into the Atom editor, and I'm going to say save as, and I'm going to have to say that I'm going to save it as an HTML file. So I'll just call it sample.html, save that file. Now, even though this is what it looks like in the editor, and it's color-coded once it knows that it's an HTML file and how to color it, and this is what it looks like on GitHub, of course, if I say that in Chrome I want to open an HTML file, it's actually going to do some magic processing of all of those tags and everything for us. So, sorry, that's not the right place that I've got to go for it, but this is the file. I can open that one up, and I can see that it's rendered in the form of a web page, even with a clickable button with a little alert box that comes up. So that's basically the first little exercise that we had, was just opening up this local file. But there's something else in this repository that I want to show you, and that is the wiki. So the wiki is going to be the place where I can put a link to our playlist on YouTube for videos like this, and even a link to certain videos. And this link is the link to the video that you are currently watching. How is that possible? Anyway, okay, so stay tuned. That's what our repository looks like and how you can navigate it a little bit. But we'll do lots of exciting things using the content on this page this semester. Okay, good luck.